Hello and welcome to my channel, CAD with Jordan. Today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to project your sketches onto a curved surface. So obviously you can't just create a sketch on a curved surface. So what you need to do is you need to come into the origin file right here and then open up one of these planes. After that you can right click it and press V or select visibility, and then your plane will now be visible. After that we're going to go to the plane drop down menu at the top here, and then we're going to get offset from plane. I'm just going to click this and then drag it away just so it's only just outside of our cylinder here. So I'll accept that, and now I'm going to turn off the visibility for our central origin plane. After that I'm going to start a sketch on this plane, on the plane, nothing else. And this is what we want to be projecting onto our curved surface right here. So if I decide to do a square and then some text, I'm going to make the text a little bit bigger, that way we can actually see it. So if that's the geometry that I want to put onto this curved surface, then I'll finish up the sketch, and now I'm going to select the emboss tool. I can simply click on the different profiles and geometry that I'd like to wrap to the face, and then we're going to click the wrap to face button and select the face we're putting it onto. And after that, if you just press OK, you can see that we've actually created a extrusion outside of the material onto our curved face. And alternatively, we can change the direction of the extrusion so that it goes inside. This is called an engraving, and then the other one is called an emboss. And within the depth field, you can also change how far in it goes. So yeah, that's very simply the best way that you can create features on a curved edge. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the link in the description, as there is a course there on Udemy. It's usually on sale for like 10% of the price that it's listed for, so make sure to give it a check. It's got all of the Autodesk Inventor essentials in one place, nice and easy for you. Thank you very much for watching.